Hi guys, how you going? Cambell here. Just thought I would show you my dome house, and we're going to start construction. Well, today I'm going to start laying it out, maybe get a few bits together, and we'll do it tomorrow. So this is my little piece of land. Oh, there's my cool new car. And so that flat bit out there is where the dome's going to go. And this is the dome. These are, well, that's one doorway, and the other two are like, inserts. So they use, put a fridge in them or a wardrobe. Got some windows over there, and there's solar panels at the back, which I'm going to set up. Some more windows, and these are the panels. So over there, that's the roof, the top dome. They've got a bit of water in them. Other side panels, we've got smaller panels and windows. So we've got 3 windows and 1 closed in that can be used as a shelf. And so this all bolts together. As you'll see, there's just, where are we? You can see there's a hole. It just bolts together with these little screws. So it should go up in one day. And so, like I said, it's going to be going over there. This is my view. So I'm going to have, obviously, the windows facing down that way. I'm going to have an outdoor kitchen, sort of, or probably, between the car and that pallet. And then this is just a temporary dome, well, a temporary place for it, because what we're going to do, this is a floodplain. And last year the waters came up 1.5 meters above ground level. So just in this area where the dome bits are lying around, we're going to put a big platform off the ground. I've got 6 telephone poles, those big wooden ones. So we're going to put those in as the supports and build a main structure kind of in there. And then it'll have like some walkways out to like another piece here, sort of sitting where the grass is. That'll be a kitchen. Main bit, so that'll be a viewing deck. The main bit will be where my yurt is. I've got a yurt as well. That'll become my bedroom. I'll have a kitchen there, and then like a pathway out, and probably put the dome out here somewhere, either here or kind of here. And then have a viewing deck as well, so we can sit out and look at this amazing view. So I'm going to get into laying it out, and I'll catch you up on some progress soon. So we haven't started building the dome yet, but here it is. I've laid it all out. So these are all the panels. So I just go in here, and you can see that's a doorway, a window. That's just a nook where you can put, one's going to be a fireplace eventually, and one will just be for a cupboard. Another window. These big round things are the walls, obviously. Another window and another nook. So this is at 6.1 meters across, so it's a little bit bigger than this area we can see on the ground. And we're going to get into putting it all together either this afternoon or tomorrow. So it should be up in the next day or so. And it's a beautiful day out here, sun is shining, middle of winter. And over here I'm just constructing just a first phase. It's just something I can put my solar panels on. Just a couple of crates, a bit of wood. Just so I can get them up and producing electricity, and then I'll come back and sort it out later. But you can see just pallets. I'm just going to put 3 or 4 panels, however many fit on that, and I've got more pallets there if I need to build another one, and hook it up so I can get some energy going. So there you go, the dome house is almost ready to go up. Okay, so here we are. It's about 10 in the morning. There's my dome ready to go up today. Over there you'll see I have started setting up my solar. I'll give you a bit of a look. It's not done yet. It's just a couple of pallets. Got my solar panels in the front here, they need to be moved because they're not getting all day sun. And then we just have batteries down here, bit of wiring, but I'll show you how that's all set up in another video. And I'll show you the progress as we get up the dome home.
And what are the square bits?
What's the difference? The square bits, they are C and the door's D.